Floorboards that get uneven or start buckling after water damage can totally ruin the vibe of your home, but fixing them doesn't have to be a nightmare. So, when you notice your floorboards are all warped or lifted because of water, the first thing you want to do is stop the moisture source as soon as possible. Like, if it's a leak or a spill, clean that up and dry things out fast with fans or a dehumidifier. Next, check how bad the damage is. Sometimes just a few boards are messed up, not the whole floor. If it's just a couple of boards, you can usually replace those without breaking the bank or tearing up everything. Make sure you get replacement boards that match your floor's wood type and finish so it doesn't look patchy. When you're pulling out the damaged boards, be gentle so you don't wreck the surrounding ones. After removing them, let the subfloor dry out completely before putting new boards in, otherwise you'll just get the same problem again. If you're not sure about handling this yourself, ask for help from a pro who knows flooring repairs. It's worth it to get it right. Lastly, keep an eye on humidity levels in your home going forward to avoid more warping down the line. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing uneven or buckled floorboards after water exposure is rushing to replace everything without drying the subfloor properly, which just leads to repeat problems. Make sure it's bone dry before reinstalling. Another common issue is not matching the new boards to your existing floor's wood type and finish. That patchwork look is a dead giveaway, so take your time picking the right materials. Also, lots of folks try DIY without enough experience and accidentally damage surrounding floorboards or don't secure the new ones correctly. If you're shaky on this stuff, getting a trusted contractor involved saves time and stress. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff for projects like fixing water-damaged floors so you don't get stuck with amateurs. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to find homeowners who need quality work done. Everyone wins when you connect through BigHomeProjects.com.